to make it strong. Hello, guys. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. So, hello, guys. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. So, guys, this is my 13th day of English speaking challenge. So, as you can see, how good I'm speaking in English. It's a wonderful thing I'm doing. I know. But for this, I have to take the actions. Means I have to leave the comfort zone every day. I have to leave the comfort zone every day. Means if I'll be on my bed, and by thinking, if I'll be on my bed, and I would be thinking on my bed I would be if I would be on my bed, and over there I would be thinking that I have to become a very good English speaker. So that will be possible. So that will be possible. No, you can't do anything on the you can't do anything by being on the comfort zone. You have to leave the comfort zone. Instead of thinking, instead of thinking, you have to do okay. You have to take you have to take the action. You have to start the work. You have to start the work. Means it's very important. It means it's very important to take the initiatives, of anything. Means you have to execute the work. First you make the plan, and thereafter you have to execute it. Okay. Means each and everything is done by executing. Yes. Means taking actions is very important for all of us. Yes. And you have to speak. No, you have to notice that I'm speaking correct or not. Means you have to look at you have to look at that I'm speaking clear and crispy or not. Means I'm pronouncing the word in a good way or not, in a right way or not. You have to see that. Okay. And one more thing I will tell you, that stop wasting your time. Means try to do something productive. Means you need to start something. You need to start something from which you can learn something. Means you can develop something into you. There are many skills. There are a lots of skills. Like English speaking, like video editing, like graphic designing. There are a lots of skills that you should learn. Yes. Means, and by the help of these skills, you can go anywhere in your life. Yes. And the very first thing, and one skill is running on the market. One skill is running in the market, and that is video editing. Yes. Means everybody is making content, right? Means the content creator needs a video editor. Okay, needs a video editor. And the person who knows very well about video editing, so he will hire you. He will be hired by the content creator. He will be hired by the content creator. And because of that, he will get the work. And by that he can run his house. And by that job, he can run his house. Yes. Means either become no means you have to become means either means you either have to become a content creator or a video editor. Anything you can select and become. Anything you can select of this, and you can become similarly. Okay. And what I'm doing right now, I'm trying to become a content creator. I have to become a content creator. Means whatever the points, no, whatever the whatever the content I will have, whatever the content about, whatever the content I will have about the topics, then I will share it on the camera by speaking. Yes. So what I have been experienced in my life, there are so many things I have been experienced in my life. If I talk about relationship, then I have also experienced that. Then I have also experienced that. If I talk about ups and downs, then I have also felt that. I have also experienced that many times. Yes. Means each and every aspects of my life, each and every aspects of my life, each and every in each and every aspects of my life I have been experienced. I have been experienced. Yes. You know what is important? What is important while speaking? Your confidence. Yes. You must be confident while speaking. Yes. Means you never have to be confused. You never have to be confused that what I'm speaking is wrong and right. What I'm speaking is wrong and right. You don't have to think about that. You don't have to think about that. You have to continue speaking and speaking, talking and talking. Okay. And don't care about the people that who is standing next to me. You don't have to think about that. Means suppose that you are speaking, and in the you are speaking, and in the meantime someone comes to you, and because of him you stop talking. Okay. So this is a very, this is the bad way to speak. This is the bad way to speak in English. Yes. So why you will be afraid? Why you will be scared? Why you will be scared? You should not be scared at all. You should not be scared anymore. Okay. You need to do your task. You need to do your task. You need to do your task. You continue need to do your task. Yeah. During the festival of Eid, I got a kurta. I got a kurta means pajama, and I got a kurta means the color of that kurta was yellow, somewhat yellow. Yes. And I like, and I bought it, and I purchased it, at my home, and I purchased it, and I purchased it at my home. Means someone was selling, someone actually there was a person who has a lot. There was a person and he was selling the kurta. Kapra. He was selling the clothes of kurta. So I told him, so I called him and asked him that, please show me the clothes, whatever you have. Okay, show me the clothes of kurta, whatever you have. Then he came to my house and started showing and started showing and started showing all of the clothes, whatever he had. Okay. Whatever the clothes he had. So one of the cloth one of the clothes that I like one of the clothes that I like I selected, and I told him that I'll take this one. So please tell me the qualities of this clothes. What is the features? Tell me the qualities of this cloth. So he was showing something. Means he was trying to showing something. He was trying to show something. He was showing something. Yeah, he showed, he took out the letter. Who took out the lighter? Who took out He took out the lighter. Who He took out the lighter, and the lighter was burning. Okay. Means the lighter was burning, and it took the lighter beneath the kapra, beneath the cloth, under the cloth. No. Yes. He took the lighter. He took the lighter under the clothes, under the clothes, and the cloth was over the lighter, and the lighter was going up. and the lighter was also blowing, and the lighter was also on, and the and the fire and the fire of the lighter was and the fire of the lighter was coming, and the fire of the lighter was coming from the between the clothes, and the fire of the lighter was coming from the downward to upward, means it can it was crossing from the cloth, it was crossing from the cloth it was crossing from the cloth, it can cross the no it was crossing from the cloth, it was crossing from the cloth, it was crossing from the cloth, it was crossing from the cloth. So when I saw this, then I got very surprised, oh my god, this cloth is so good, I should take it, and I should not miss this, I should not miss it anymore, I should not miss this, because if I would miss this, then maybe I will I will regret after this, after regret I will regret after I will regret maybe I will regret after getting him I will regret after this. So I should take, yes, I should not waste my time anymore, so I told my parents that please take it, please take this cup, please take it, please take this clothes for me, and I have to make the kurta by this cloth only, okay. So my father got ready, so my dad got ready to take the clothes, and my mother also got ready. So both of them both of paid him, I think. So both of them, they paid him, I think they paid 500 rupees for the kappa, they paid 500 rupees for the cloth, and thereafter he went away, and no, I still remember, and there was some there was some remaining clothes, no, and I still remember the cloth what I was taking. So I asked him that how many meters, how much meters should I take, should I take to make kurta, how many meters कितना मीटर चाहिए, so how many meters of kapda should I take for making my kurta. So he told me that 3 meter you have required, 3 meter you will required 3 meter you will be required 3 meter you would be required, so I think you should take 3 meter. So I took 3 meter of kurta kapda, I took 3 meter of cloth of kurta, I took 3 meter of cloth of I took 3 meter of cloth of kurta, and 2 meter were remaining, and 2 meters were remaining. So my mother told me that I should take that also, I should take that also, I should take that also, I should not leave it anymore. So my mother take that so my mother took that remaining clothes to take that remaining so my mother took that remaining clothes too, and thereafter he was charging 200 rupees of that remaining cloth, yes, of that remaining cloth, that remaining piece, yes, he was charging 200 rupees of that remaining piece, yes. Thereafter, my mother paid him 200 rupees, and thereafter he went away. He went away, and thereafter I asked my parents that I have to stitch. I have to stitch it. I have to stitch it. I have to stitch my kurta. I have to stitch this kapda and make a kurta. I have to stitch this kapda and make a kurta. Then my father told me that let's find out some tailors. Let's find out some tailors. Let's see who is more free to stitch it, because it's because the fest because the month of Ramjan is going on, and everybody is busy for stitching the kurtas, and everybody is making kurta nowadays. So I don't think so that any of the tailor is free for stitching. Any of the tailor is free for stitching. So i told my I told my dad that okay, eh, at least let's find out now. At least let's find out now. Let's look for a tailor anywhere. Maybe we could get anywhere. Maybe we can get we will get anywhere. Maybe we would get. Then my father told, okay, let's see what will happen, what happens. Okay. So thereafter so thereafter i I put my I put that cloth, I put that suit. So thereafter something starting. So I took that cloth. So I took the kapda into my techi. So I took the kapda into my techi. I took the kapda into my techi. No, I took the kapda somewhere else. I I took the kapda and put it somewhere. Thereafter I was showing to everyone that I took this, how it is looking. I took this cloth. I took this kurta. I took the clothes of kurta. I took the clothes of kurta. So how it is looking? It is looking wow or not? It is looking good or not? I was asking. I was looking for the validation. I was looking for the validation of the people. I was looking for the validation from the people that how it is looking, because I have to know that it is really good looking or not. It is really good looking or not. I have to know that. I have to know that. Thereafter, thereafter, my Nana Nani was asking me that you have got the kurta, you have got the kurta, you have got the you have got the you have got the kurta, you have got the kapda of kurta. Then you should stitch it also. You should stitch it also. Then he was they were suggesting me some they were suggesting me some they were suggesting me some tailors. Means he was telling me that he they were telling me that call Mehtab and ask him that where where do you stitch your kurta, where do you stitch your kurta, please make my make my kurta make me make my kurta stitch too. Okay. So make stitch my kurta too. Make stitch my kurta too. Call him and tell him. Okay. Then I called Mehtab and I was asking him that is there any tailor who is available? Is there any tailor who is available? Then he told, no, none of the tailors are free right now. Everybody is busy, because in the month of Ramzan, and in the month of Ramzan, no one is free. Everybody is doing something. Everybody is doing stitching. Everybody is doing stitch. Everybody is stitching. And the numbers of clothes are increasing too. And the number of clothes of kurta are increasing too. So I can't say exactly that anyone is free. Anybody is free right now. Anybody is free right now. So so after listening to him, I got I feel very sad that no one is free. Why I took this kapda? I should not take. I should have. I should not have. I should not have. I should not have been taken this cloth. I should not have been taken this cloth. I have. I have. I have made a biggest mistake. I made a biggest mistake. I made a biggest mistake. I think I made a biggest mistake of my life. So I should not take. I should have. I should not. I should not have been taken this kapda. So I put my kapda. I put my kapda somewhere else thereafter, and in the in the evening or in the night, I took a snap. I took a snap of that kapda and sent to Khushi, and I was showing her that I have taken this. So how it is looking? Then she did not comment anything. She did not tell anything because she was busy in the school. She was busy in the school that time. She was she was making the reports. She was preparing the result. That time, and that time she was not free. She was busy that time. So after this, she showed me something. Also. She showed me two. दिखाई वो. She showed me something. Means, look at this, how it is looking. This is the front part of the report. Means means we all are the teachers are on the interface of the report, are on the first. We all are the teachers. Are on the front page of the report. Front page of the report. Means this is our cover. This is the cover. Means we all are the teachers. We all are the teachers have been put on the cover of the report. So how it is looking? Then I showed the report. I showed the report. I observed, and I told him, I commented that you are in the top of the report. You are on the top of the. Why you are on top? Why you are on the top? Means something you have done wonderful. You have done wonderful. So because of that only. Because of that only, you are on the top of the report. On the cover page. Okay, on the cover page. Yes. So I was appreciating her that whatever you are doing, it's a wonderful thing to you and me too. To you too, it's a wonderful thing to you and me too, and for me too, and to me too. Okay, so keep it up and keep going and keep growing in your life Okay. So guys, this is all about today. So see you in the next video at the same time, at the same place. Until you, take care. Bye.